Hey curl friends, so I started this style with freshly washed hair that had been blow dried, sectioned, and braided at the top, twisted at the ends, and this is going to be your end result, these long luscious locks using two different types of hair and a latch hook. Let's get started. So the hair that you're going to use to wrap the top of the head is spring twist hair, and as you can see, the ends are lighter than the middle. So I'm going to cut the ends off of one side so that when I wrap the hair, it's not going to be light right in the middle of my faux loc. And you have to be sure that your hair matches exactly the faux locs that you're going to be putting in your head, or it's not going to match up, it's not going to look cohesive. So I took one section and I separated it into two, and I'm going to show you two different techniques that I used. Now, as you can see, instead of using the pre-loop, I'm going to pull it and make my own separate loop. Now that stops the top of where the hair meets the scalp. It stops it from looking bulky. It'll end up looking much more realistic, much more possible of it coming out of your scalp, so that as the locks get old, it looks even more natural. So you're going to do your regular hook through the braid and then loop it through that little loop that I created, and you're going to just pull it through like normal. And so as you can see, it's going to hang a little further down than at the scalp, which gives it that tapered look. Now I'm going to add the spring twist hair, and I am going to keep it right there. You see where the lighter hair is going to be wrapped around my braid and the lock. So now I'm going to start twisting with the spring twist hair, and that's going to hide the lighter end as well as my hair, and it's going to blend perfectly into the lock. This is a much quicker install than having to wrap your hair from top all the way to the bottom if you're looking for a really long goddess lock style. So I don't put too tight of a hold on as I twist it. It's not too tight but not too loose so that it moves around. And as you can see, there's no need to burn the ends. All you do is twist it till the very last strand. And you're going to do the same thing you do with normal locks, which is you kind of roll it. And what that does is compress the hair into itself, and because the hair is already kinky curly, it'll stay. And that's it. One lock installed. Now this is the second technique. I do the same beginning. I just want to show you guys how imperfect you can do this install. It doesn't have to be perfection, and it still looks really good because of the type of locks that I bought. They're distressed locks anyway, so it's not meant to look perfect. So this video is of course sped up, as you can see, but I just wanted you to see again without having to rewind it. So I wrap the end around. That's for stability. And now I just twist it around the lock in my hair. Now, if one spring twist section is not enough, you can add a second one if your hair is too long, or you can do this technique that I'm going to show you right now. Since I ran out of the spring twist hair before my hair was done being covered, I'm going to stick the latch hook through the center of the lock. You're going to feed it all the way through to where the spring twist hair ends. And you're going to grab on to your hair and the twist, and you're going to just pull it straight through. And then you're going to do the same thing that we did with the other one, which is you roll it. And as you roll it, it kind of evenly distributes the hair and hides any imperfections, smooths it out, maintains the shape. And you can't even tell I used 2 different hair packs because it's the same exact color, which will be in the details below. And the final result is exactly what I wanted. It looks so good to me. I love that it's lightweight. It moves so easily. I can put it in a ponytail right now, no problem. I can go to the gym. It takes so much time off of me getting ready for work. I'm ready to go. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. Please like and subscribe for more styles, tips, and tricks with the Curly Mommy.